Rob Boguski here. Computer tomographic imaging, or CT scanning for short, is three-dimensional X-ray. The process uses individual X-ray images or planes or projections, and by means of volumetric rearrangement using software, a 3D model is created which enables the user to manipulate the images and use them as a failure analysis tool. The next term is flying probe testing. Flying probe is a test methodology largely analog in nature, utilized extensively in our industry nowadays for testing NPI work as well as prototype printed circuit board assemblies. It is primarily an analog test using moving probes to test a stationary board. Tests include open and shorts tests, tests of passive components such as caps, resistors, Zener diodes, and so forth. And it can be overlaid with additional test methodologies such as open pin, Kelvin testing, JTAG boundary scan, and LED testing as well. As I said, it's primarily utilized in NPI and prototype work because the front end expenses for a program and carrier are relatively cheap compared with in-circuit testing and relatively easy and quick to implement. Programs can be created in a matter of hours in some cases and debugged, and production boards can be tested in a matter of days. Thanks for listening.
Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit smta.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.